Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to see the solution of August 2021 question paper of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20SC01T. This question paper has total 5 sections. In this video lecturer, particularly we are going to see the solution of section 1 related to matrices and determinant unit questions. Now coming to section 1. Section 1 has total 2 questions. In section 1 less questions irutte, 2 questions irutte. In first question 4 sub questions, ಎರಡನೇ question ಕೂಡ 4 sub questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now we are going to see one by one. Question number 1, a bit. Find the value of x if determinant 129 2x0 37 minus 6 equal to 0. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ start with solution. Consider given determinant. Solution. Given determinant of the determinant 1 2 9 2x0 3 7 minus 6 equal to 0. Now simplify. That is, you have to expand this determinant using any row or any column. With respect to first row, I am expanding here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. 1 ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, x0 7 minus 6, x into minus 6 minus 6x, 7 into 0 0 minus 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 3 into 0 minus 0 plus 9 into 9 first row delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, third column 2x 3 7, 2 into 7 14 minus 3 into x 3x equal to 0. Simplify it. Minus 6x minus 0 is minus 6x into 1 minus 6x minus 2 into plus 12, that minus 2 into minus 12 is plus 24, 9 into 14 126, 9 into minus 3x minus 27x equal to 0. Next, minus 6x minus 27x is minus 33x, 24 plus 126, that is 150 equal to 0. If you take minus 33 to right hand side, that becomes 33x equal to 150. 33x equal to 150. 33x equal to 150. Now, ಈ 33ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 150 divided by 33. 150 divided by 33. Therefore, what is x equal to 3 11 ja 3 5 ja 0, that is 50 by 11. 50 by 11. X value is 50 by 11. That is the required answer. 50 by 11. Now, moving to next question, that is 1b. If A equal to matrix 2 1 4 5 and B equal to matrix 5 minus 1 4 1, then find AB. Solution. Write down the given matrices. Given matrix A equal to 2 1 4 5, 2 1 4 5, and B equal to matrix B equal to 5 minus 1 4 1. What do we have to find out? AB. Now consider consider A into B equal to 2 1 4 5 into matrix B, 5 minus 1 4 1. Matrix multiplication ಗೆ you have to remember that is row by column method. Row by column method. First row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column, element by element multiplication. Now multiply one by one. First row first column 2 1 5 4, 2 into 5 10, 1 into 4 4, that is 10 plus 4. First row second column 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into 1 1 minus 2 1. Now second row first column 4 into 5 20, 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 20. Now second row second column 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 5 into 1 5 plus 5. Now AB equal to 10 plus 4 14, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, 20 plus 20 40, minus 4 plus 5 1, minus 4 plus 5 1, that is 14 minus 1 41. This is the required answer, that is AB. Moving to 1C. Solve the equations x plus y equal to 0, y plus z equal to 1 and x plus z equal to 3 for y by Cramer's rule. Solution. Consider the given equations. Solutions. Given equations are given equations. You have to write in x, y, z format. First equation is x plus y, there is no z term, write it as 0 into z equal to 0. It is your equation number 1. Second equation is there is no x term, 0 into x plus y plus z equal to 1, that is your equation number 2. Third equation is x, there is no y term, 0 into y plus z equal to 3. Next question number, that is equation number 3. Now in question there is only solve for y. Means you have to find out delta and delta y. Only two terms you have to find out, delta matte delta y. Now to find delta andre x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient determinant. Consider delta equal to determinant, that is 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Next second row is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Third row is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 is equal to, you have to solve that expand the determinant, is equal to 1 into first positive negative 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into first row second column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 into 1 1 into minus 1 into 0 first row second column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 1 1 0 into 1 0 minus 1 into 1 1 plus last term is 0 into first row third column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 into 0 0 minus 1. Now 1 into 1 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, last term 0 into minus 1 is 0. Therefore, what is delta value is 2. Delta value is 2. Delta value is 2. Next, you have to find out delta y. That is delta y. Some may write delta y ga delta 2 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. delta 2 equal to delta y ನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ delta 1 delta x delta 2 ಆ ಥರನೂ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. Means you have to change second column. In this second column 1 0 1 first column as it is 1 0 1 first column. Second column ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 0 1 3 0 1 3 0 1 3. Third column as it is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 2 ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 1 ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 2 ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ 3 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಮೇ ರೈಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೈ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಝೆಡ್ ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದರ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into 1 3. ನಾವು minus 0 ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 0 into anything 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 0 into anything ಅದನ್ನು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 into minus 2, that is delta 2 equal to minus 2. Delta 2 equal to minus 2. Delta 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore what is y value? Y equal to formula we are having delta 2 by delta. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ delta 2 by delta. What is the delta 2 value is minus 2 minus 2. Delta value is 2. Delta value is 2. What is minus 2 by 2 is 1. Y equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. You have to find out only one value, because in question paper they asked only for y, not necessary to find x sin z. Not necessary to find x sin z. Now moving to 1D. If A equal to matrix, that is 3 1 2 minus 2 1 1 3 0 2, find A inverse. Find A inverse. Solution. First find out. First write down the given matrix. Given A equal to matrix, A equal to, it is 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 1 2 minus 2 1 1 3 0 2 3 0 2. First you have to find out determinant value. First ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ first you have to find out determinant value, then you have to find out cofactors, then adjoint, then inverse. There are 4 steps are there to find A inverse. First check for determinant value. Consider determinant of A is equal to determinant of 3 1 2. Same you have to write with the determinant symbol 2 1 1 3 0 2 3 0 2. Now expand with respect to first row. Is equal to 3 into first row, first column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 into 2 2 minus 0 0 into 1 minus 1 into first row second column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, that 3 minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. plus 2 into last element 2 into first row third column delete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 into 0 0 minus 3 into 1 3. Now is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 into minus 7 minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 plus 2 into minus 3. Determinant of A is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus into minus plus 7 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6. Now plus 6 minus 6 cancels. What is the answer is 7. Therefore determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. That is important. Not equal to 0 ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ A inverse exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, A inverse exist. A inverse exist. A inverse exist. Now, I have to find out cofactors. Second step is cofactor. Cofactor ಗೆ I need matrix. I will copy this matrix. Now, cofactor find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ matrix ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to find out total 9 cofactors. That is, first one is A11, A11 cofactor, A11, that is plus, you have to delete first row first column, you have to write the answer. First row first column delete ಆದರೆ 2 into 1 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2, that is equal to 2. Next A12 minus first row second column delete ಮಾಡಿರಿ, first row second column minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to 7, that is equal to 7. A13 plus, now first row third column delete ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Now, coming to second row elements, A21 minus second row first column 1 into 2 0 into 2, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, that is equal to minus 2. A22 plus second row second column 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. A23 minus first second row third column 3 into 0, 3 into 1, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is 3, 0 minus 3 is 3. Now, coming to third row elements, A31 plus, delete third row first column 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. A32, what is A32 is third row second column minus 3 1 minus 2 2, 3 into 1 3, minus 4 minus of minus plus 4, that is equal to minus 7. A33 third row third column, it is plus, third row third column delete ಆದರೆ 3 into 1 3 minus 2, 3 minus of minus plus 2, that is equal to 5. You got all cofactors. Now, you write adjoint of A directly. Adjoint of A equal to formula. Adjoint of A is equal to, we are writing the formula A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the, we are having the formula. Now, substitute values for A11, A12, A13. For that, now write first adjoint of A equal to, adjoint of A is equal to first column, I will write column wise. ಏನಿದೆ A11, A12, A13, 2 7 minus 3, 2 7 minus 3, 2 7 minus 3. Second column A21, A22, A23, minus 2 0 3, minus 2 0 3, minus 2 0 3. Third column, that is A31, A32, A33, minus 1 minus 7 5, minus 1 minus 1 minus 7 5, minus 1 minus 7 5, minus 1 minus 7 5. This is the adjoint, this is the adjoint. You have to find right now using A inverse equal to formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A value is 7, determinant of A is 7, 1 by 7 into adjoint of A is 2 minus 2 minus 1, 7, 0 minus 7 minus 3, 3, 5 minus 3, 3, 5. It is the required answer for A inverse. Now moving to second question, that is first questions all 4 bits are completed. Now 2A, evaluate, actually it should be determinant, evaluate its determinant value solution. Given, actually it is wrongly typed, it is determinant of 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Evaluate, consider solution. Consider determinant of 2, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 equal to first row, expansion with respect to first row, 2 into delete first row, first column, 2 minus 2, 1, 1, 2, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1. Next minus 3 into 3 into 2, 6, 1 into 1, 1, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, minus 1 into 3 into 1, 3, minus of minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 equal to 2 into minus 5 minus 3 into 5 minus 1 into 5, that is equal to 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 minus 15 minus 5 minus 5, total is minus 30. Therefore, determinant value is equal to minus 30, that is the required answer. Next question 2B. If matrix A equal to minus 1, 0, 5, 3 and B equal to 3, 5, 2, 4, prove that adjoint of AB equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A, Solution. First write down the given matrices. Solution, given matrix A equal to minus 1, 0, 5, 3 and B equal to 3, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. Now, first you have to find out left hand side, then right hand side. For this, first you have to find out AB, then its adjoint, then adjoint of AB, adjoint of B into adjoint of A. First find out AB. Consider AB equal to write matrix A. Matrix A is minus 1, 0, 5, 3, minus 1, 0, 5, 3 into B. B is 3, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4. ಈಗ ಇವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ರೋ ಬೈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ minus 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 3 plus 0, minus 1, 0, 5, 4, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, 0 into 4, 0, minus 5, 0. Now, second row first column 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 2, 6, 15 plus 6, 5 into 5, second row second column 5 into 5, 25, 3 into 4, 12, 25 plus 12, 25 plus 12, 25 plus 12. Now, simplifying the terms, AB equal to add the elements, that is minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5. Second row 21 37, 21 37, 21 37, 21 37. Now to write adjoint, that is you have to use direct method, interchange the diagonal element, change the signs, which implies as adjoint of AB equal to, adjoint of AB is equal to, change the diagonal elements, that is 37 minus 3, change the sign of non-diagonal elements, that is 5 minus 21, 5 minus 21. It is your equation number 1. Equation number 1. 37 5 minus 21 3. Now next step you have to find out adjoint of B, adjoint of A, then their product. To write adjoint of B, adjoint of A directly, you have to use A and B. From A and B, from matrices A and B, A and B. Adjoint of A equal to, adjoint of A equal to, change the diagonal elements, minus 1 3 becomes 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, change the sign of non-diagonal, it is 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, and adjoint of B, adjoint of B, adjoint of B, adjoint of B equal to, change the diagonal elements first, that is 4 3, 4 3, 4 3, 4 3, sign, change the sign of non-diagonal elements, minus 5 2, minus 5 minus 2, minus 5 minus 2. Now find the product. Now find the product, that is consider adjoint of B into adjoint of A, adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of B first matrix, that is 4 minus 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 5 minus 2 3 into adjoint of A, adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? 3 0 minus 5 minus 1, 3 0 minus 5 minus 1. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು first row first column 4 minus 5 3 minus 5, 4 3 is 12, minus into minus plus 25, plus 25. First row second column 4 into 0 0 minus 5 into 1 plus 5. Now next second row first column minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Second row second column minus 2 into 0 0, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. Now simplify. Adjoint of B into adjoint of A is equal to 12 plus 25 37, 5 minus 21 minus 3. It is your equation number 2. Now compare 192. What is equation 1 is adjoint of AB 37 5 minus 21 3, 37 5 minus 21 3, both are same. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, AB, that is adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A, adjoint of A. It is the required result. That is from equation number 192. Now moving to next question, that is 2C. Verify that AB equal to BA for the matrices A given, B given. Solution. first you have to write the given matrices A and given matrix A and B. A matrix ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, B matrix ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Here I am writing directly consider AB to save the time. Consider, but in exam you have to write given matrix A and B. Consider first you have to find out AB. A into B. First write matrix A. What is A is 1 0 5 minus 1 2 1 5 4 3 5 4 3 into B. B is 3 minus 1 4 0 minus 1 1 2 4 minus 2. For multiplication what you have to remember, I told row by column. Equal to multiply row by column, that is equal to first row first column 1 0 5 3 0 2 3 0 10 3 0 10 3 0 10. First row second column minus 1 0 20 minus 1 0 20. First row third column 4 0 minus 10 4 0 minus 10 4 0 minus 10. Second row first column minus 3 0 2 minus 3 0 2 minus 3 0 2. Next second row second column 1 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 4. Second row third column minus 4 2 minus 2 minus 4 2 minus 2. Next third row first column 15 0 6 15 0 6 15 0 6. Third row second column minus 5 minus 4 12 minus 5 minus 4 plus 12. Next third row third column 24 minus 6 24 minus 6. Now AB equal to 3 plus 10 13 20 minus 1 19 4 minus 6 13 19 minus 6. This is minus 1 4 plus 1 5 5 minus 2 is 3. Next minus 4 13 19 minus 6 minus 1 3 minus 4. 15 plus 6 21 minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 plus 12, that is 3 20 plus 4 24 minus 6 is 18, it is 18. Give it as equation number 1. Next consider BA. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ AB ಐತಿ, ಈಗ you have to find out BA. Consider BA. Consider BA. B into matrix A. Matrix B is 3 minus 1 4 3 minus 1 4. Second row is 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 2 4 minus 2 2 4 minus 2 2 4 minus 2 into A. Matrix A is 1 0 5 1 0 5. Second row is minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1. Third row is 5 4 3 5 4 3. Now multiply row by column. First row first column is 3 1 20 3 plus 1 plus 20 3 plus 1 plus 20. First row second column 0 minus 2 16 0 minus 2 16 0 minus 2 16. 15 minus 1 12, 15 minus 1 12, 15 minus 1 12. Next second row first column 0 1 5, 0 1 5. Second row second column 0 minus 2 4, 0 minus 2 4. Second row third column 0 minus 1 3, 0 minus 1 3, 0 minus 1 3. Third row first column 2 minus 4 minus 10, 2 minus 4 minus 10. Next 0 8 minus 8, 0 plus 8 minus 8. Third row third column 10 4 minus 6, 10 plus 4 minus 6, 10 plus 4 minus 6, that is BA is equal to, simplify, 3 plus 1 plus 20, 24, 16 minus 2 is 14, 27 minus 1 is 26, 6, 2, 2 minus 12, 0, 8. Give it as equation number 2. What is BA is 24, 14, 26, 6, 2, 2 minus 12, 0, 8. Now compare 192. 1 is 13, 19 minus 6. First row itself is different. Therefore, from 192, from equation 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. That is the required answer. AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Next question, that is 2D, last question of the section 1. First write given matrix. You have to find out here characteristic equation and eigen values. Solution. Here naming is not given. Start with let A equal to, what the matrix is, 2 minus 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 1. First you have to write characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of A is, characteristic equation of A is, that is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. That determinant of A minus lambda I andre directly I am going to write determinant of diagonal elements alli you have to write lambda. 2 1 idella, 2 minus lambda, it is 1 minus lambda. It is method to write directly. Here it is minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now expand it, simplify. Diagonal elements minus non-diagonal elements, that is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda, minus 3 into minus 1 3, minus 3 equal to 0. Simplify. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 lambda, lambda into 1 minus lambda, lambda into lambda plus, that is lambda square minus 3 equal to 0. Lambda square minus 3 lambda, 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0, equal to 0. It is what? Required characteristic equation. Characteristic equation. Next you have to find out characteristic roots. For that you have to factorize or go for formula method. It is not possible to factorize, go for formula method. Formula method ge here A value is 1, B value is minus 3, C value is minus 1. Standard equation formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In place of x here it is lambda. What is the formula? X equal to baritivalla adanna ಏನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಈಗ lambda equal to, what is the formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, divided by 2a. Now lambda equal to minus b, here minus 3, minus of minus 3, plus or minus root of minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1, divided by 2a, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Next lambda equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of 9, 4 into 1 into minus 1, that becomes minus plus 4 divided by 2, that is lambda equal to 3 plus or minus root 13, 3 plus or minus root 13 divided by 2. Therefore lambda equal to 3 plus root 13 divided by 2, comma 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. These are the characteristic roots or eigen values. These are the required solutions, and these are the questions from section 1. Next, moving to section 2. To watch that question per section 2, watch the next video. Thank you.